Greetings to all. This is Vaishnavi, Assistant Professor, IT Department from SNS College of Engineering. Now we are going to see about the scheduling algorithm. Now we are going to see about the two scheduling algorithm, that is first come first serve and shortest job first. First come first served, that is FCFS scheduling. Simplest CPU scheduling algorithm. The process that requires the CPU first is allocated the CPU first. Next it is managed with first in first out queue. Next one, convoy effect. Other processes wait for the one big process to get off the CPU. Here we have the example for the first come first serve scheduling. Consider the following set of processes arrive at a time 0 with the length of the CPU burst given in the millisecond. Here we have the three processes we have, that is process 1, process 2 and process 3. Next burst time is given. Burst time for the process 1 is 24. Next burst time for the process 2 is 3. Burst time for the process 3 is 3. We have to calculate the average waiting time when the process arrive in the following order. That is P1, process 1, process 2 and process 3. Next one is process 2, process 3 and process 1. We have to provide the Gantt chart for the same. Solution for this problem is, first we have to find that process 1, process 2 and process 3. First we have to draw the Gantt chart. Here we started as for the process 1, burst time start from 0 to 24. Then for process 2, the burst time is 3. So we have to add 24 plus 3, 27. Next for process 3, the burst time is 3. So we have to add 27 plus 3, 30. This diagram is called the Gantt chart. Next, here we have to calculate the waiting time. Here we just write about the processes and the waiting time. For process 1, the waiting time is 0. Next, for the process 2, the waiting time is 24. Next, process 3 is the waiting time is 27. For calculating the average waiting time, we have to add these three process waiting time and divided by 3. Here we have 51 divided by 3, that is 70. Next, for that process 2, 3 and 1, we draw that Gantt chart, that is for process 2, 0 to 3. Next one, process 3, that 3. So 3 plus 3, 6. For process 1, 24. So 6 plus 24, 30. Like this, we have to calculate that average time. Next one is shortest job first scheduling. Shortest length process will be assigned first. If the process have the same length, first come first serve scheduling is used to break the tie. Shortest job first is optimal. It gives the minimum average waiting time for the given set of process. Next we have the example for the SJF. Here we have that process 1 to 4. For that processes they given that a burst time, and the arrival time for the process 0, and the process arrive in the order of process 1, 2 and 3 and then 4. Here we have to calculate waiting time and the turnaround time, and we have to provide the Gantt chart for this one. Next we have to given the Gantt chart process 4. 0 to process 4 burst time is 2. So we just write here 2. Then process 1 burst time is 3. So 2 plus 3, 5. Then process 3 waiting time is 4. So 5 plus 4, 9. Then last one, process 2 waiting time is 11. So 9 plus 9 plus for next process 2 is completed at that time 15 waiting time. So we have to calculate the waiting time, process 1 and 2 to 4. Burst time for this one is 2 and then 9, 5 and then 0. We have to calculate that average waiting time. We have to add these 4 numbers and divided by 4. Next one is turnaround time. For the turnaround time, we have to calculate that burst time plus that waiting time. For process 1, we have that 3 plus 2, that is 5. One is burst time, another one is waiting time. We have to calculate that one, and then add these 4 turnaround times divided by 4, and then 13 divided by 4, that is 7.75. That is the turnaround time for that process. Thank you.